Plant kingdom. The branch of biology related to plants is called botany. In the Greek language, the word bous means cattle, and the word bouskain means fodder for cattle. Over time, the word bouskain evolved into the word botany, and that is the term used today. The plant kingdom, Plantae, includes all organisms that are eukaryotic, multicellular, chlorophyll-bearing, cellulose cell-walled, and autotrophic. In this kingdom, algae, bryophyta plants, pteridophyta plants, gymnosperms, and angiosperms are included. Algae, bryophyta, and pteridophyta are classified as cryptogams, or non-flowering plants. Gymnosperms and angiosperms are classified as phanerogams, or flowering plants. These are also called spermatophytes, or seed-bearing plants. In the plant kingdom, some plants are partially heterotrophic. Examples are insectivorous plants or parasitic plants. An example of an insectivorous plant is bladderwort. An example of a parasitic plant is cascada. Plant cells possess a eukaryotic structure and contain distinct chloroplasts, green plastids. The cell wall is mainly made up of cellulose. Need for classification. First, to know about all the plants and animals present in the world. Second, to develop classification systems that express the natural relationships among plants. Third, to reveal the diversity present in plants and to understand it meaningfully from an evolutionary point of view. Fourth, to collect information related to the plant wealth of different regions. Fifth, to provide proper understanding and training in this direction to students of botany. Types of classification. These can be divided into 3 types. 1. Artificial classification. 2. Natural classification. 3. Phylogenetic classification. Artificial classification based on easily observable external characteristics is called artificial classification. Examples. 1. Classifying plants as herbs, shrubs, and trees. 2. The sexual system of classification proposed by Linnaeus. Natural classification. The classification of plants by giving greater importance to the natural relationships existing among plants is called natural classification. Bentham and Hooker's classification can be cited as an example. Phylogenetic classification. The classification of plants by generally considering their evolutionary relationships and evolutionary patterns is called phylogenetic classification. Example: Angler and Prontal system. Types of classification. In classification, there are steps according to a hierarchical order. Each step represents a level or category. Since each category is a part of the entire classification hierarchy, it is called a taxonomic level or taxonomic category. All the taxonomic categories together are called the taxonomic hierarchy. Each category indicates a rank in classification. That is, it can be said to be a symbol of a particular level. Whatever may be the rank in classification, it is called a taxon or category. Therefore, each taxon represents a taxonomic rank. Taxonomic categories or ranks. Taxonomic categories or ranks are not merely morphological groupings, but function as definite biological entities. Studies related to classification help in the establishment of certain common categories. These are kingdom, division or phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. In the plant kingdom, animal kingdom, and among all living organisms, the species represents the lowest taxonomic rank. Classification has been divided into 3 types: artificial classification, natural classification, phylogenetic classification, or evolutionary classification.